I realized on my last few videos when I was talking about do's and don'ts with the serger, I failed to show you how to thread the serger properly. This method, I'm only using 3 spools of thread. The first spool I'm not using and hardly do when I use my serger. I'm going to show you how to thread a serger the proper way. First, I'm going to de-thread it. Now, the first thread you want to do is the far right. That's the fourth, but I call it the first spool you thread. You see how the spool is taken from the back into the circle, up over, around, and into the circle. Now this is probably the most difficult part to thread because it goes through many steps. Just follow, if you have a color-coded system, just follow the blue arrow. Goes in 5. Goes under those 2. Goes under these 2 because they both are blue. I'm holding my phone, but let me see. Under those. See? The first 5 under those, under that hook, over the 8, and into this one. Make sure you pull all the threads to the back. Now that's the first one. You see how the thread is going from the back into the hoop, across the front, into the hook, and into that. Go down, follow the number and color. 5. Boom, boom. Blue, blue. Under the 8. Over the 8. And into the longest hook that's pointing to the right. Now, for the second one, or third from the left, you do all the hooks the same way in the back. Take it to the front, follow the green, green 5, 6 green, only under the 1 because it's green. Over 7 and into, oh, I can't even, that one. Again, you want to make sure that thread is pushed to the back. I only use 3 thread spools when I'm doing my serger. I use the 4th one for other hems like the road hem, etc. So the last one, or the second one from the right, from the left, the third one from the right, you do the same thing. Only this hole is to the left. So you take it from the back, cross it over like this. Pull it through the front opening. And since this is a needle, you bring it across here, take it up, and follow the pink over the first one, and in to the first needle. And you want to push this to the back. Now we have all 3 spools threaded. We're going to try it. The tension. 4 3/4. 4 1/4. 3 1/4. Now you need to adjust your tension on flimsy material, lightweight material, and stretchy material like this. This is cotton. We're going to do a test. And we are successful. Follow me for more tips and tricks and sewing machine lessons.